Fusion 369 toy hauler has been in the barn for most of the winter, and I've been installing my solar. So here is my first opportunity to hook on it, bring it outside. I'm going to pull down here and try and get some full sun and see what we've got. In the process of doing this, I'm going to show what I read on my my tablet is hooked up to the BMV. As you can see, I've got a 60 foot between me and the back of my trailer and the front of that one, and I have to make it tight turn and back up and tight turn again. So anyway, I think what we're going to see is when I pull out the into the sunlight, here's what we're going to see, I think. Get my eyes on the trailer here and see if I can do all this at once. Probably won't see nothing for about 30 feet or so before the panels get out there in the well, I see we're starting to get some sunlight on there. And the tires of the trailer are just now coming out. And there's what's happening up on the roof. Wow, look at there. We just pulled out into the full sun almost. It's not easy. This is the VE Bus smart dongle connected to the batteries and the Victron 3000 Multiplus. All right, so let's go outside. Okay, I've got two panels up tilted. The other two I don't have, and I've got 602 watts out of a possible 840. This damn tablet. I gotta fix that too. But here's my numbers coming in. Don't know what they mean yet, but I'm watching. I'm going to go up and tilt the other two panels now. Okay, I got all four panels tilted. I'm getting 714, 15 watts. I got 37, 38 volts, 19 amps, 19 and a half. And then my batteries are taking in 13.8, 50 amps. It's in bulk mode already. Let me see what the state of charge is. %100 already. Wow. It was what was it, 79, 80%, something like that when I pulled out here. It's already gone up to 100%. I don't know. I've read some people making comments that says they're getting a false 100% reading. I don't know yet what that's all about, but I need to look into that and make sure that all my settings are right. These were all set up by Battleborn before they shipped it to me, and at least at this point, it looks like I'm doing well. I've got really good charge, and I haven't been out here 20 minutes maybe in the sun. So let's see what else we got over here. Wow, okay, well, I'm pretty pleased with that. So, take a quick peek upstairs. So here's my rooftop, my panels. As you can see, the two on that side are tilted into the sun. Two on this side are tilted into the sun. There's no wind out here, they're just, so I just put these two legs on here just to see what I was going to get, because it was easier access this way. But I'm very pleased, very surprised, and happy about this. I got to give a shout out to Nate at Explorists Life. He's got a solar camper van crew that he mentors people, and I subscribe to it. There's a monthly charge for it, but it's more than worth it. Thank you, Nate, and thank you for all the advice. And I'm not done yet. I still got some other things I'm going to do here, so I'll probably tap your knowledge and wisdom on that, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoy this. Give me a thumbs up down there, and share this video. Make comments. Tell me what you think. See what you see, something different or wrong. Tell me about it. I don't want to have any issues and down the road and mess things up. So I already see a couple of issues. I need to strap down my cable. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned. There'll be more coming. At the end of this month, I hit the road. So. Getting close.